and welcome to Add More Zest. I have an unboxing today for you from Diamond Art Studio UK. This one was sent to me. I can't believe I didn't have this one already. Very excited to add this one to my stash. So let's get in it. This one is one of, and I say one of because I have multiples, one of my favourite artists from Diamond Art Studio UK. I have many, not quite all, but I do have many from this artist. I can see 5 in my stash that have not yet been completed. So, of course, there is still some. There is some that I have also done and completed, but there's 5 that I have in my stash, and I am more than happy to add another one. Let's see if you can guess. Does that help? This should help you to guess which one, or which artist at least this may be. And yes, it is Splatterworks. Absolutely adore Splatterworks paintings. And this one, I think he's called Ferdinand. Is he called Ferdinand? He is. This is Ferdinand the fox. Doesn't he look ever so serious? He looks ever so serious, but at the same point, absolutely amazing. Sorry, that's my doorbell. Oh, there we go. Family Facebook group always goes off. That will be pinging for eternity. Yeah, so it has 43 different colours. Some people may not like this white blocking. I actually really enjoy it, especially when I work in strips, because of course I have a block of it, but then I have loads of different and some confetti and then another little block of it. I would much rather do white colour blocking than black. 100%. But yeah, this is a 45 by 60 and I have it in square. It is available in both. So it is available in both square or round. The round one is slightly bigger because it is the same chart, but the round diamonds are bigger. So the round one works out at 50 by 65 if you only like rounds. But look at those poor eyes. I don't know whether he's sad. I think he is a little sad. I don't think there's anger in the eyes, but I do think he's gorgeous, and therefore he should chirp up a little bit. But yeah, lots of 3865. Is it 3865? Oh no, 5200, sorry. Lots of 5200, and then look at these gorgeous earthy tones, browns, greens, oranges, yellows. Absolutely amazing. You do get a sticker sheet, of course, with the labels on. So I do need to make sure that I chop this here off because I will be updating my logbook shortly. And I need to make sure that he is in there. Because then he'll get transferred to my potential to-do list. There's no ABs in this one. There isn't in any of the Splatterworks, but I don't know that ABs would work as well with this anyway. But yeah, I'm actually kind of hoping that my decision wheel picks a Splatterworks soon, because I have a few. I have a pug still to do, a koala, a giraffe, a squirrel, a sloth, and now I have a fox. And it makes me wonder if there is any others that I have potentially missed. Oh, there is a pre-order actually for a Christmas cow. I think that one might need to make it to my list. I've got the squirrel already. yeah, I think that one might need to make it to my list at some point, because I think he is absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I will pop details in the comments down below. I will also pop a discount code if you do decide to purchase one. A cheeky little discount code is always good, especially if it means you can get yourself a second painting, because why not? But yeah, isn't he a handsome chappy? Even if he does look a little bit sad. I'm very, very excited to add this one to my stash. By the way, if this kit hasn't come with a toolkit, that is my request. You can actually choose on the website whether you need a toolkit or not. Because I use my own trays and pens, I don't need a toolkit, so I don't collect them. This is also their new charting with the yellow symbols instead of the white. Well, yellow and potentially blue. So this will be a nice one where I can split it a bit like I did with Walking in the Rain, and do the coloured symbols first and then do the black symbols. But yeah, very excited for his time to come and shine. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.